So let's continue with this example. For example, here a dog, you can see out here the dog. We are defining a method, okay, and it is an initialization method, or you can say instantiation method with one instance variable breed. You can also use, like, you can use a, let's say, color. I will use name, and what is the other one? Let me take it out. Okay, color, name, and breed. So here you can use, let's self, I'm creating a new instance variable, let's say color, and I'm initializing it with the color that we are going to pass when we create an object. Same as, let's say, self dot name, here name. So don't confuse with this breed. Okay, see how this will work. This will work like this. Let's say D for a dog object. When we no, this time it's not a empty object, it's an object with 3 different attributes. So here's a dog. First you need to pass the breed, let's say Labrador, here like this, and you need to pass here the second one here, let's say color, let's say brown, and let's say the name Dodo. And this is how it is done. If you're not using the init, that means you can go with the empty constructor. You can go with the empty constructor. But if you're using the instantiation method, that means you need to pass that much number of parameters, that much number of argument here. So don't confuse with this. See, Labrador will be initialized with the breed, color, and name, and we are going to make it as an instance variable when we initialize it with the self.breed. So these are the instantiation. You can say the instance variable. So don't confuse. You can also use like this. Let's say B. Let's say C for color, like this one. So this is just a local variable. You can say this is just a local variable. It is local to this method. Okay, now let me have an output. Let's say D dot, let me print here, that is D dot breed. Okay, because this D dot breed is initialized by using self dot breed whenever we create an object. And same thing with the print. Let's say D dot color, this will print the color, and let's say print, let's say D dot name, this will print the name. And let's say D dot make noise. You can also call D dot roam and D dot sleep. So some of the older methods. When I save it and when I run it, you will have a different type of output. Okay, you will have the same type of output like this. So here you can see the Labrador, that is basically a breed instance variable. Brown, that is a color, that is a color instance variable value. It is a Dodo, there's a name instance variable. Okay, and there's 2 methods, 3 methods. So this is how you can create instance variables by using instantiation methods by underscore underscore init underscore underscore, like this. So this is about the classes, introduction to the classes, and thanks for watching this tutorial. In the next tutorial I will give you an assignment, so you need to complete it. Thanks for watching this tutorial.